Definitely. Oh, hey guys. Good morning. Pero kung kamata, obviously, nata-istoryaan. Topic for today is motorcycle club.
Scream your name. Hello, hello. Do you need me before I fade away? Is this a place that I call home to find what I've become? Walk along the path unknown. We live, we love, we lie. Deep in the dark, I don't need the light. There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs to the other side. We live, we love, we lie.
Hey guys, it's your boy Jugi Maro, and ngayon kita taglugar na hilom o silent mo nang ni-ride na lang kita. Araw ba tapikan na to itong storya na what is motorcycle club, and here it is. So, motorcycle club, ano ba yan? Ano ba sa palagay nyo? Mga madunggan nyo, motorcycle club, organization na siya kaya Brad. Okay, i-explain ko sa inyo. Ang motorcycle club is a group of individuals, mga individual na mga tao. Hindi magkakilala lahat yan, pero tungod sa club magkailaran na sila, magkadugay. So ano ba yung requirement para mo join o club? Line ng club, especially daghan kay club. So na yung mga club na ako i-post ani sa screen ninyo na basi kailan mo sa club. So, kanila gamay rin dagang pailaan other clubs from Luzon, Visayas, and part of Mindanao. Some running, okay? Kaya kupunon ko di club akong screen, mga buang ta. So, na namoy may idea kung unsa ang mga club. Okay, now, let's go briefly or unsa gyud ning club. So, purpose sa club. Purpose sa club is so, may purpose tayo sa club. Medyo ko kabalo ito. Kabalo mo? Hatik lang. So, ang purpose ng club,
Looking ready for me, intensity climbing earlier Monday.
is ma-form tong individual na mga tao para magkausa. Ang motorcycle manggod is a form of hobby. Kung gusto mo talaga mamotorsiklo, di ba? Mara mo ang tuwang tao mo join yung club, even pamilyado sila. Walay pili ang motorcycle. As long as you are eligible to drive and you are not underage, na naka-lisensya, kompleto papers na motor mo. So ganyan. Kahit estudyante ka ba, basta kompleto papers mo.
How it makes me feel.
Kahit pamilyado ka man, may mga anak ka na, may work ka na, walay mubabag sa imong hobby if mao gina imong gusto na drive sa imong self. Sa ako lang na self, gusto gina ko motorcycle. Now, niapil ko og club last year. Now, wala ko niapil as a student. Niapil ko, nag-work na ko sa among store. So, hanggang na naka-join man ko ana. So, ingana yung story ana. Na ako'y kaila, na nasa kaila, nag-invite ko sa yung kaila na mo join sa club. So, unsa man na club? Mo to gitawag na Yamaha Owners Club. Mao na akong gi-joinan. Then, first thought, okay, apil-apil lang to. Try lang ko tani ko. Ma-enjoy ba gito? And really, it was an enjoyment like no other na ko na-feel. Na-enjoy na akong life. Nakapatanggal siya stress, nakahatag ko mga smiles.
I ain't been getting high. Well, maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not an angel either, you can't even fly. I know this, you think that you know shit. All this shade that's coming at me, I wonder who throws it. They can't see the vision, boy, they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie, I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit, oh take, pray them niggas.
I think so, sa mga gipakapilan nako na charity ride and sa clean up. So, yeah, na yung mga memories na na-produce ang club nako, nauban ko, na nakaingon ko, yes, nakautro giday siya. Now, my motorcycle is my hobby. Grabe kas lang. Hobby. Na ako nang gina-strive hard na once maka free time ko, I want to ride. I want to be free. Lahi lagi ang feeling sa naay motorsiklo og naay sakyanan. Promise. But I will not let you go. Yeah, sama-sama ngon dagay memories na akong na-feel sa club. And yeah, awesomeness 100%. Sa ako lang nabahin sa akong mga club. Okay man kay akong club. They let me like a family, di ba? Dami mo gina yung purpose gina mo paglabas nila. Not just to enjoy and play. Okay. So next question will be a broad one. Dapat ba mo appeal kag club? The answer is yes or no. But to be honest, the answer will be on you, sa imo. What's I feel nimo? You want to be a solo rider? Just don't join a club. No problem. Because joining a club man god is naay feeling na kanang kailangan ka maging the responsibility of the club bearing on your motorcycle, the sticker nga naa sa motorcycle. Madagay mo ta na, brad. Ano na club card? Ngana na. So ngana siya. So naa sa imo, if hobby lang ba siya, go for a hobby. But if more than a hobby siya, join a club. Be inspired, just like me. I joined a club, I was inspired. Then later on, I want to be a vlogger. I want to vlog my club. I want to vlog where I go. I want to be a solo rider as well. Because pag mag solo rider mo po ka usahay, enjoy po ba na kasi mo ka want to trail yourself na ikaw lang na di ka maawaw. So I'm just trying na di ko maawaw sa ginatry pa na ako, na di ko maawawon, dili ko ma-insecure sa mga tao mo tanaw. Kay grabe kailang mata makapatay. So muna, hopefully makapil ko sa among charity ride. Join partnership ni sa among federation na sa MMRA sa Surigao Sur mismo. And I will just post it on the messenger kung kanos and hopefully maka-vlog ko another day, maka-ipon ko another day, because I want to vlog a charity ride. Wala pa ko na vlog na charity ride because unfortunately wala pa ko na dawat na camera galing sa akong trabaho. So mo nang karon pa ko nag-vlogging. So guys, I will end this video. Hope you guys understand what I'm saying, and comment down below if ano mga sa inyo mga suggestions about what I say. If nalimutan ako, comment down below para atong matackle, di ba? At pag-brainstorm ta guys, I want to be open with you guys. Somehow I'm totally enjoying motovlogging. Thank you so much guys for watching. Always ride safe at peace yo. Mahal kong Pilipinas.